Hello, good afternoon. This is Varun Gowda. I'm studying in Acharya Institute of Technology, and I've been selected, and I've been doing the course of cybersecurity with PurpleSynapz. So the course was pretty much very interesting, and it was very enjoyable. Even the trainee and everyone coordinated very well, and the teaching was so good, and everything they taught me was like in practical, and hence it was very understandable. And when the test was given, it was a bit exactly very easy for us to understand because we have done the practicals and all. So it was a very good experience, and I got to learn many of the concepts about networking and packet tracing and all. So basically overall it was a very great experience, and our trainee was very good with her teaching skills, and she did a very great job teaching us, and she also helped us out personally whenever we had difficulties and doing anything. And apart from that, I have no complaints with it. It was very good experience, and I am looking ahead for a lot of more classes about cybersecurity and advanced things that needs to be taught in the future. And that was a very good experience and thank you for teaching me very well. Thank you.